If you're a beginner in the startup world, you may have experienced the feeling of wanting to change your idea frequently. You're not alone in this. Many people who are new to the startup world go through this phase. The important thing is to not get discouraged and to keep moving forward. Here are a few tips for beginners in the startup world who keep changing their ideas. 1. Choose an industry that you're passionate about. The first step is to choose an industry that you're passionate about. This will make it easier to stick with your idea, even when times get tough. 2. Do your research. Before settling on an idea, do your research. This will help you validate your idea and make sure that there's a market for it. 3. Talk to people in your industry. Once you've chosen an industry, talk to people who are already successful in it. This will help you get an idea of what it takes to be successful and will give you some valuable insights. 4. Be flexible as you're starting out. Be flexible with your ideas. Things will change as you get more experience and you may need to pivot your idea in order to be successful. 5. Stay focused. Finally, the most important thing is to stay focused. Don't get discouraged if your idea changes frequently. Just keep moving forward, and eventually you'll find something that works. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, which motivates us to create more videos with meaningful and useful content.